Hello everyone, I'll be taking you on the guide on how to create email accounts from your cPanel. First, you log in with your domain name /cPanel. So I'm using wghdemo.com.ng/cPanel. So this is the URL for you to log into your cPanel. Okay, so it has taken me to the login page. I have my username here, which must have been sent to you. Okay, I copy my username in the username box. I copy my password, which was also sent to me, my email. So I paste it in the password box and click on login. So I'm taking you on a guide on how to create email accounts. You can either search for email accounts on the search bar here, or you can search for email accounts on the search bar here, or you can actually navigate by scrolling down to check for email accounts here. So I'll type email account, email account. I click on email account. It's taking me to the interface of where I can start creating my email account. So for instance, I want to create training at wghdemo.com.ng, maybe for a particular section in the company. All I need to do is go to create, and I've decided to use training. I want to create an email account called training. So for the username, I type training. Okay, and for the password, you can either generate your password or the password box here. You can type your own password. Okay, then click on create, or you can do an auto-generate password. I've auto-generated the password. Okay, ensure you keep your password safe where no one can have access to it. So I've kept my password and I click on create. Okay, so it's creating that particular email account for me. Okay, so you can see that I've created training at wghdemo.com.ng. So if you want to access this particular email or any of the email accounts you have created in cPanel, you want to access it directly from cPanel, all you need to do is click on check mail. This is check mail. Okay, taking me to the webmail interface. So this is the webmail interface. We have two webmail clients. We have the round cube and we have the board. So if you want to access the round cube, all you need to do is just click on it. So it's taking me to round cube interface. So this is the round cube interface. So you can decide to send a new message just for test to know if you can send mails. So you click on tool. For instance, I'm trying to send to a particular email account. You can send to a Gmail account, you can send to a Yahoo account, email account, Google's test at gmail.com. Then you can put a subject. Since it's a guide, I'll put test. On the body of the mail, I put test. Then I click on send. You can see that the message has successfully been sent to that particular email account. So if you don't want to use round cube and you want to use board, you can go back to the cPanel email account page. Click on that particular email account. Click on check mail. Okay, so it's taking me to the interface of board. Okay, click on board. Taking me there to the interface of board mail. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is the board webmail email client interface. So I've decided to run a test. You can click on new message. Okay, sending to my test account, test@gmail.com. I put a subject, since it's a test mail we're running. I put the subject test and I click on send. So you can see that the message has been sent successfully. So you can either access your web email client using the round cube or the hot webmail client. The next teaching I'll be going to is on how to delete email accounts from your cPanel. For instance, you no longer want to use that particular email account. All you need to do is, at the left hand corner you see a box, you check the box. Okay, you check the box of that email account you no longer want to use. So I'm checking this particular one, foodie@wghdemo.com.ng. There's a delete box there, so I click on delete. Then there's a pop-out that is telling me to delete, so I click on delete. Okay. Okay, so it's actually deleting that particular email account from my cPanel. So you can see that it has successfully deleted foodie@wghdemo.com.ng. So there are still other ways where you can delete the email account from your cPanel. You can actually go through manage. Okay, it takes you to the email account page. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see that this is the email account page of peace@demo.com.ng. Scroll down and you click on delete email account. So it brought up a pop here which says you're about to delete peace@wghdemo.com.ng. So you click on delete. So once it has deleted that particular email account from the cPanel, you take it back to the email account page. So it has successfully deleted that particular peace@wghdemo.com.ng. So I'll take you on a guide again on how to reset your password from cPanel. For instance, you are the administrator to the cPanel, administrator to the account, okay, and you want to reset password for staff of the organization. Okay, all you need to do is search for email accounts here, email accounts. Okay, or you search for email accounts here, or you scroll down to email accounts, taking us to the page of where we have the email accounts that have been created in the cPanel. Okay, so like I said, I want to take you on how to reset your password. Peradventure you are trying to log in and it's giving you invalid login, or you cannot remember your password to your email account. All you need to do is go to that particular email account which you want to reset the password. Whether you remember the password or you're not sure of the password, just go to that particular email account. For instance, I cannot remember training@wghdemo.com.ng, or I'm trying to log in and it's giving me invalid login. All I need to do is go to manage. Okay, that's giving me the page for that particular email account. I can type in a new password if I want, or I can auto-generate a password. So I've auto-generated a password. Then I scroll down and I click on update email settings. So ensure before you click on update email settings, you must have saved your password somewhere. Okay, so once you generate or you type in your password, click on update email settings and it takes you back to the email account page. Okay, so I've done a reset for my email account password.